boys and girls. I hope you had a good Memorial Day. Taking some time out to remember the people that sacrificed everything for us to have the freedom we have. Anyways, I don't remember where I stopped off in the videos. I don't think I showed the steering column mount. They left this all loose for me, so I had to raise it up. It was about here, so it's almost 3 inches or so. It's like 1 tube diameter, which would probably be 2.5, so maybe 2 to 3 inches. I raised it up, and then I also moved the steering column support over probably about a tube diameter. So that's probably moved over 1.5 inches. I still got to grind off their old tacks. Then I welded on my steering column mount. This is supposed to have brass bushings in it. They're really, really thin. That part came from Empy. It's usually straight, and it was so easy to bend, I just bent it with a pair of pliers to form around the tube there. It did okay. And so we got it all leveled to the top of the frame and on the same plane measurement wise. So hopefully when I'm all done it doesn't come out crooked. Hopefully the roof's not crooked, right? So we got that done. Had the seat in there mocked up where I wanted it. Used blocks of wood and stuff. And then we made a couple of seat brackets for the front. Here's this one. And put some go fast holes in there. You can't see them so well, but I gotta grind off that tack weld. I had them tack welded together to make them even. I gotta do the back part. There's 2 for the rear I gotta make, and there's also a tab kind of in the front near the center, right about where the shifter box goes. So I gotta make a tab for that too. Let's think anything else. Probably want to make a little gusset on these going this way from the inside, just to keep this thing from racking, because it is going to be a lot of weight on it. Even though the brackets are pretty good in there, they're welded on both sides, I'd still rather have a little bit of a gusset there. So that's about it, boys and girls. We've still have not heard back from the seller about those nuts that never came, that were the incorrect ones. The ones for the side panels they actually credited me with, so I was actually amazed. I thought they wouldn't do that, because UPS, United States Postal Service, said they delivered it, but they never did, which is probably a common problem when you buy things on Amazon. And let's see, I had to go buy some regular nuts for the seats, as I didn't want to use any lock nuts or anything hard to get off, so I can mount them just temporarily. So, get the front seat all dealt with. We'll make some brackets for the back seat. Use the same seat to do that. And then, it's probably on to ordering some tubing for the roof to make the X. And some triangulated bracing going from here to here. And the same in the front from the dash bar down, dash bar in. Kind of make a V up there. And then after that, I think I'll start on putting the roof panel on, because then I'll have the X in there and I can figure out where I'm going to put all my brackets to actually weld on and bolt the roof on. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing for the next few times. Kids are home from school, so time is less than it was before. So thankfully my wife lets me every now and again get out here and do a little something. And hopefully we'll keep on trucking. It's been a little slow lately, but hopefully it'll speed up. And a friend of mine found a torsion housing already cut out of a car. Semi-close. It's in Lakeland. That's an hour-and-a-half drive. I need to contact the guy about that. It's cheap, and I don't have to cut it out of a car, so that's 2 bonuses. But getting over there is going to be the problem lately. Like I say, the kids are out of school, so that kind of sucks out of time out of a day. Seen some videos from Deep VW Darren. I'm hoping I can go over there next weekend and help him clean out some of that stuff he's got, and hopefully get something for the transmission of this. He's got something I really be interested in. Next thing is this Ben's made a wideband box so that we can switch widebands around. I still gotta tune it. Still haven't done that. That's going to get done one day, at least before the show and drag race in South Carolina. So anyways, boys and girls, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Check out the playlist Dune Buggy's on, and there's videos of the Turbo single port on the playlist. Always check the playlist out if you have any questions. Sometimes that covers your answer. So, I'll see you guys later. Get out there and get your cars worked on.